Hi, welcome back to Payload with Colin. I'm Colin Brown, and thank you for your patience. I've been away for quite a while. I've been super busy with my day job and working on my house for a variety of reasons. And so, yeah, I haven't had a lot of time, but I am very interested in getting started again and showing you all the things that I'm learning in Payload. And over the last couple months, I've been kind of chipping away at a project that I've been um, pretty excited about. It's all around authentication. The past several videos I've done are related to authentication, with one-time password and that kind of stuff. And I there's a lot of other frameworks out there that kind of provide these uh, all-encompassing sort of auth kits, especially third-party providers like Clerk, and they give you all the components that you need, all the middleware, the session handling, all of that stuff. And of course, Payload offers a lot of that, the session handling stuff, but there's not a lot in the way of UI and user experience. And so I'm putting together a project that I'm calling Payload AuthKit, which yeah, it does a lot of things. It's not 100% complete. There's a lot of features that are missing, but it's got a lot. It allows you to log in with GitHub, allows you to log in with Google. It offers one-time passwords, and it even has a user settings page that you can modify your profile details. You can change your password, reset your password, and create accounts, and you name it. So a lot of the basic foundational kind of things you would expect in a modern app. And so that's what today I want to do a quick demo of how it works. And in upcoming videos, if you're interested, I will go through and we will start from scratch everything that I've done. And and also I think there's the way I've organized the app uh, is also valuable too. So you may be interested in how I've done that. So, all right, so let's get started. Again, I'm just going to do a demo, and then you'll let me know what you think. If it's something you would like to have, I'll have the repo available if that's what you want. And then, of course, it's going to be free and open source and all of that. So, all right, let's get into it. So, I have my login screen. Actually, there's a homepage for it too as well. Something kind of proud of. It looks kind of nice. Yeah. And so Payload Auth Kit, your complete auth starter kit for Payload CMS. You can get started. Now you can log in with your email or Google or GitHub. We're just going to go ahead and start with GitHub. And immediately I'm directed to my dashboard. And this is the other thing that is provided out of the box is sort of a boilerplate dashboard panel, admin panel that you can use in your app. It's not a requirement. You can just strip all this out if you want, but I thought, why not provide an example? Now, I also have some basic roles with for users. I have an admin user and then just a regular user role. And my GitHub account happens to be an admin user. And so with an admin authorization, I have this extra information on the side for admin users only. And the only thing I have right now is this users, but you can kind of get a sense of what's in store for this auth kit down the road. And I believe this is still loading. There we go. And you can see I have a whole bunch of test users in here. Um, whether or not they're verified, when they last signed in, what role they are, and I think this isn't paginated currently, but yeah. And real quick, the other thing I thought about is like because I am not The other thing I thought about real quick is that a lot of this stuff is sort of redundant because it will be available in the payload admin panel itself. So I don't actually think I'm going to keep this, but it kind of helped me think through some of the features in the navigation. But I will probably migrate all of this stuff over to the admin, the standard payload admin panel. So you won't actually see this. But if you're an admin, you do have access to the admin panel with a link that takes you right there. So now let's sign out and sign in with a regular user using the email address. And here you can see I have an option to sign in with password or send me a one-time password, or you can sign up. So let's do one-time password. Now I have a mailbox waiting. And you can see here a very pretty template that I'm using for email. And this will also be available in this kit. You'll have the templates ready to go. And so let's just copy this, paste it right in here. Again, this is all shad CN components. And here I am in the dashboard. And you can see I don't have admin capabilities. And even if I try to go to admin, I don't believe I have access to it. Yeah. See, I'm not authorized. So that's all set up for you. And okay, let's try signing up for an account. Still loading. There we go. And we'll just do Colin at example.com. Come on. Okay, so because it's a brand new account, you do have to verify your email. And so this also sends you a one-time password instead of doing links. Um, that's sort of another foundational feature for this kit is that I don't ever send an email link. It's a personal preference, but you can change it. You can update your emails for that. But for me, I prefer one-time passwords for most email interaction. So we have another email, and so here's the login code. I'll probably update this template to be a little bit more specific to verifying your email, but for now, it's just the same template that I'm using for one-time password because it's the exact same feature. And yeah, also, you can see if I try to go to, let's say, the dashboard, it should, I am logged in, but you can see here it redirected me to the verify email page because my email has not been verified. And I am logged in with my new account. There we go. I can update, be able to go to settings here. Runs really slow in dev mode for me anyway. I'm not sure why. So here you can change your name, you can change your email address, and if you do that, you'll get another, you'll need to verify it. But it will be queued up so that you're still, it's not going to be your login email until you've verified. So it's kind of a queued system. Uh, you can change your password, you can delete your account, and then also change the theme in your preferences as well. You can go dark, light, and system. So for this, I prefer the brighter for this demo. Kind of looks nice. And yeah, so everything's available in this kit. Everything you see so far is available for the kit. And so a couple of things that are remaining are getting all of the configuration. So I want to set it up so that you can configure which social auth providers you want to include, like whether or not it's GitHub and or Google. So all of that will be moved into the admin panel. Um, Things like error messaging or login screen titles and a lot of the maybe even a logo for the login screen, anything you can think of that might be preferential um, around logos and colors and messaging and all of that stuff can be added to the admin panel, which I think that will be my next step. And so that's all I wanted to show today. Again, I really appreciate your patience. I've been away for a while and I'm going to get back into it. And I just wanted to make one note. There was a user who commented, who gave me some pretty good feedback. I don't have his username on me at the moment, but he said that he or she said that he didn't like the sort of the random nature of some of the videos I've been doing. Although it was a little bit strategic on my part, I didn't. Just from a time perspective and resources, it was easier for me to just kind of pick apart different areas of payload to focus on. But what he would prefer, which is kind of how I started out, uh, he would prefer me work on uh, bigger projects that I can break up into smaller videos, and so more of like an actual series. And he even said like a reality show or something like that. So. Um, it's something I'm going to think about. If there's any particular project that you would be in favor of, it can't be too massive, but maybe like, a real estate platform, CRM, that kind of stuff. I am involved in real estate and some of my consulting, and so that might be an option. Uh, so yeah, let me know. Let me know if you would like to see a change in the direction, or if you like the way I'm kind of taking smaller topics and just not 100% necessarily related and just and focusing on those smaller topics. So yeah, let me know what you think. And again, thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate it. And hopefully, I'm not going to provide any, or I'm not going to have any more delays. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.